Today, we're diving into the world of ransomware, a cyber threat that can bring your business operations to a standstill. We'll explain what ransomware is, why it's so dangerous, and how to protect your devices. Ransomware is a type of malware that encrypts your device and data, locking you out. Cybercriminals then demand a ransom to unlock your files. Ransomware can spread through phishing emails, compromised credentials, or by exploiting vulnerabilities in your system. Cybercriminals are always finding new ways to deploy this malicious software. Ransomware can be devastating. For individuals, it means losing access to precious memories or important documents. For businesses, it can disrupt operations, leading to financial losses and reputational damage. In many cases, ransomware involves a dark twist called double extortion. Cybercriminals not only encrypt your data but also steal it, threatening to release it publicly unless you pay up. To avoid ransomware damage, stay vigilant. Always check emails carefully. Follow the SLAM method: sender, links, attachments, and messaging. Keep your devices updated to patch vulnerabilities and back up your data regularly.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.